this video, I'm going to share with you the solution for Nano Banana not working. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store and check if there's an update available for the Gemini app, because Nano Banana comes with the latest Gemini update. If your app is already updated but Nano Banana is still not working, tap and hold the Gemini icon, then tap the Info button. After that, open storage and clear the cache. Sometimes small bugs can cause issues and stop image generation from working properly. If your Gemini automatically activates reasoning, math, and code, that means you're using the Gemini 2.5 Pro version, not the Nano Banana version. To fix this, make sure to activate the Gemini 2.5 Flash version, which supports the Nano Banana feature. And if you're still facing issues, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or make sure your Wi-Fi speed is stable for smooth performance.